If you love soft, chewable nugget ice like you get at restaurants, today's product is for you. This is the Nugget Ice Maker Countertop, designed to make Sonic-style ice at home in minutes. Let's go through its features, pros, cons, and help you decide if it's worth buying. Nugget ice ready in just 5 minutes. This machine starts producing ice in about 5 minutes, which is great when you need ice fast for drinks, guests, or parties. High production, up to 40 pounds per day. It can make up to 40 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for large families, offices, or entertaining. Soft Sonic-style nugget ice. The ice is soft, chewable, and absorbs flavor better than regular ice cubes, perfect for sodas, iced coffee, smoothies, and cocktails. Portable design with built-in handle. It's easy to move around thanks to the carry handle, whether it's for kitchen use, office setup, or party placement. Auto-cleaning function. With the press of a button, the self-cleaning feature helps keep the machine hygienic and low maintenance. Extremely fast ice production. You don't have to wait long, ice is ready almost instantly compared to traditional machines. Great ice texture and taste. Nugget ice is softer and more enjoyable than hard cubes, especially for cold drinks. Easy to use. Simple controls, no complicated setup, and auto-cleaning make it beginner-friendly. Takes up counter space. While it's portable, it still needs a dedicated spot on your countertop. Ice bin doesn't keep ice frozen. Like most countertop ice makers, ice will slowly melt if not used quickly. If you're someone who loves nugget ice and wants a fast, reliable way to make it at home, this Nugget Ice Maker Countertop is a solid option. It's great for families, offices, parties, and anyone who goes through a lot of ice. Check it out using the link below. If this review helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what product you